So hi, here we go. For those who don't know me, my name is Marana Ford, and here is the result of the Trousse 28. So this, I think, so far this is the largest Trousse that I've got. So I think this is the larger size of them, and then they have a new one, the toiletry. So but I still like this one.
So you've been with me from unboxing the Trousse 28 and the Trousse 23, and yeah, for today it's the Trousse 28 time to shine. So this is the Trousse 28. I think so far this is the largest Trousse I've had, so I guess this is the largest and the biggest size they have. And this is the Trousse 23, and always see the difference in that. This bag, these trousses are vintage, as you can see from the zipper. These are a clear zipper, and look at the bottom, it's still in great shape. The canvas are still great shape. It still has more life to give. So I really love vintage because of the materials they've been using before, for the history of that day, so the year that they was made, and you know, I just like them. So I'm gonna show you if I got successful cleaning all my trousses, especially the Trousse 28, because this is kind of a bit of challenging for me to clean it, because there's a rip on the zipper here. But first we're gonna see the outer. So this is the Trousse 28. I love the canvas. There's still rubs, but it's not really obvious here. This is the zipper. It's more shiny now. It's not so tarnished anymore. And then this is the clear zipper. So this, how you open it, unzip. So as you all know, got stuck in here. So it has a rip, a small rip in this side. When I got this, they didn't mention this, but that's okay. It happens. But I still love it. There is no problem in opening and closing the zipper. You can still use it. You can still put a bunch of stuff in it. So let's go to the inside. So this is the inside of the bag. There is no dirty, and there's no what do you call that, like major stains. There's no major stains anymore. And let's see the deco. This is the inside. You see, it's so clean. I clean it well. So I use the nail polish remover. So you have to be careful using that one because it could damage the leather. So after you use it, you have to use it quick and not too much. So you have to condition it right away so it will not damage and it will not crack the leather. So I also to take out all the smell, I didn't wash it. I just put it outside for 2 days together with a Trousse 23, and it doesn't have really bad smell. So right now it's just like the leather smell, so I still love it. And now let's check the date code. So the date code is here. It's right up here. It's very vintage. It's 822. So 822. This is vintage. As you can see, as I always mention, the clear zipper. That means it's vintage. And 822, 3 numbers. The first two numbers are the year, and the last number will be the month. So 822, it's gonna be February in 1982. This bag was made. This is way older than me. I'm a 1990s baby, but this one is way older than me, and it's so great. And let's see how many socks can fit inside of this Trousse 28. So what I'm planning to use this one is I can put cosmetics, I can put like ironing, or I can put this when I go travel. Like I can put some underwears, what else, socks, or any materials, scarves. So let's see how many socks can fit inside of this Trousse 28. So ta-da! This is what it looks like when it's full of socks inside. So count with me how many socks can fit inside of this Trousse 28. So yeah. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 pairs of socks can fit inside of this Trousse 23. So I can put my husband's socks, my socks, or underwears, or anything that you can fit into this one, and it's really helpful for traveling. Or you can use it also as like a laundry for traveling, for if you have a dirty socks or dirty underwear, you can use it. So that's all about Trousse 28, and I hope you like this video, and please subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos with me. And thank you very much for your support, and love you. Please, if you have any comments and suggestions, you know what to do. You're always welcome to share your comments and suggestions from me, and I'll really appreciate it. Bye bye.